When your TV and router are far from each other, the wireless signal gets weakened. The signal should be strong enough to connect properly with the TV. To work internet, TV should set the date and time according to the correct time zone of a particular area. Internet won't work if the date and time are set wrong. Some function starts malfunctioning when the TV hasn't been updated for a long time. The update replaces the old function by bringing a new function. If you are connected to a 5 GHz network, the TV keeps disconnecting when the router and TV are far. 5 GHz frequency has a small range. Some features like Quick Start and Data Saver if they are turned on. However, both features turn off the Wi-Fi if it is not used. Make sure your TV and router are turned off, but don't disconnect the Ethernet cable. All you have to do now is turn off the electricity to both the router and the television. Then, sit tight for 10 to 15 minutes after that and reconnect the power cable to the divider attachment. (1) Go to the Settings menu. 2. Select General from the All Settings menu. 3. Turn off Quick Start after selecting it. 1. Press the Remotes menu button, then select Settings. 2. Select General from the All Settings menu. 3. Select Simplink and then disable it. There may be modifications in organization or signal obstruction if your television is connected to the USB. In the event of a television keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi for all time, it is preferable to remove it from the television. Remove the USB port and then connect to the internet via Wi-Fi. On the remote, press the Setting button. Select General from the drop-down menu. After selecting all settings, choose a time and date. (1) On the remote, press Setting, then All Settings. 2. Go to Network, then Wi-Fi Association. 3. Currently, choose Connect via WPS pin. If the router isn't functioning, you can use the mobile hotspot to see if alternative Wi-Fi is working. Turn on your television's varied areas of interest. Turn on mobile hotspot on your phone now, and then connect with your television. To connect to the television, enter the password of the hotspot. (1) Select all settings from the Settings menu. 2. Select General, and then scroll down until you find About this television. 3. Select Check for updates from the drop-down menu. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the local area network LAN port of the Wi-Fi router and the other end to the LAN port of your LG TV. Click on the Smart button on your remote to access the Home menu. Select the Settings option and scroll to the Network option, followed by Network Connection. Click on Smart Connection. Your LG Smart TV should connect automatically to the wired network.